Hi, welcome back to a new episode on the channel. If you can see, the space is empty, the convertible is gone. I got the opportunity to sell it. People came, gave a good price, and it's gone. So this will be space for a new project. What we did with the car, first we bought the car and it looked like this. After we check out the car, we did the wheels. I bought new sets of wheels and I repainted them, and when I was done it will look like this. After that we did some maintenance to the car. We did the brake discs, we did everything else. I got some pictures to show you what we did. And also what I did was change out the rear exhaust in the last episode, if you saw it. What I already did is put on the sticker on the side. The Red Bull team, the people who bought it, they love it, the Red Bull team. And that's why they bought this convertible. So, as I mentioned, two kind people, they are coming by, they're checking out the car, they love it and they buy it. So this place is empty, but I got my other project, Peugeot MP3. It's almost finished. I'm waiting for the upgrade. The postal service here is terrible. I must wait a few weeks until all the upgrades arrive. Some parts are in. I will mount them on the motorcycle and you will see it in the next episode. I want a new project. What do you guys want to see on this channel that I must rebuild and fix? I love the Volkswagen Beetle, the old type. I like this car very much. I will look. I've been looking for many years. But what you people, what you want to see? please give a comment and let me know what you want to see on this channel. So I will make my decision and what will be the next build. So thank you for watching. If you like this channel, please give a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel, it's free. You're helping me with growing this channel. And put the post notifications on. When you put the post notifications on, you don't miss out on anything. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.